Hi guys, I am Vikas sir. Today we are going to read a poem that signifies the greater deals about life. The poem names as The Dust of Snow. It is composed by Robert Frost, a famous poet. So this poem is a very simple poem, but the message it gives us is very important. The significance of this message is very much useful to our daily life. So let us start. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So I read the poem first. So let us understand. This is a very simple poem. So let us first discuss the background of the poem. So the poet has some tension in his mind because every human being has some worries in his life. Like that, the poet Robert Frost has also some worries in his life. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here, the poet has sat under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree, that hemlock tree is a tree which is very poisonous. So hemlock is a poisonous tree, poisonous plant. Okay, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow. So the poet has sat under the hemlock tree, and the a crow came. Perhaps a crow came flying, or perhaps the crow might have sat on the same branch under which the poet has sat. So whatever, the poet has not clarified whether the crow came flying and sat on the branch, or the crow has already sat on the branch. So whatever, the poet says here, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow. So the crow shook down some dust of snow on himself, on the poet, from a hemlock tree. So from the branch of the hemlock tree, the crow shook down some dust of snow. Perhaps the crow might have some dust in his body, or he might have changed his position on the branch, so that the snow on the tree have fallen on the tree. Anyway, uh, as the crow shook down the dust on the poet from the hemlock tree, so what happened then has given my heart a change of mood. So as the snow fell on the poet's mood changed. That changed the heart of the poet, and saved some part of a day I had rued. So rued here means held in regret. Okay, I have told you in earlier that the poet had some worries in his life, so he sat down under the hemlock tree and thinking something. That time a crow came and the snow fell on him. So that falling of snow, dust of snow falling on the poet changed his mood. So how did it change? How did his mind change? That it may be that the dust of snow as fell on him, fell on the poet. The poet looked on the tree. What happened to see what had happened. So when he saw to the branch, his mind might have changed, as he thought, his thought diverted from his worries. So his heart might have changed, his might have changed. So as he was thinking, he was in great worry. He had damaged, he had spoiled many of hours of the day by sitting under the hemlock tree and thinking about that matter. So, he had lost, he had spoiled many valuable moments of his life. That moment, the falling of dust of snow changed his mood. So, here this might be a very simple thing, that dust of snow, some dust of snow fell on the poet, that is very simple, but it is very important, very significant in the life of the poet, as it changed his mood. It saved some valuable hours to be spoiled, which was to be spoiled by merely sitting under the hemlock tree. So, here we learned that sometimes it happens that in our life we are very much worried about our daily life, we are very much worried about our daily tensions, worries or sadness. That moment something magical happens, that may be simple things, as the poet faced that day under the hemlock tree. The snow fell, the hemlock tree was poisonous, the crow was as ordinary as other birds, that uh, could have not made any, could not have made any difference in the poet's life. Still, that changed his mood, as the poet thought. So, here we learn that we should not worried, we should not be worried about anything in our life. If we have some worries, we have to divert our mind whatever way we can. So, here also the poet diverted his mind when he looked up the tree and the snow fell on him. His mood changed, his thought process diverted to something else. He lost, he forgot all his worries and concentrated what had happened on the tree. So, the poet adjusted, coped with his life and changed his mood. Okay, thank you.